Hey guys, it's me, Maddie, here in the project lab today for some more cozy fall candle making. I'm on a mission to make a whole line of candles using some of our best-selling fall scents, and my choice for today is our version of Sweater Weather by Bath & Body Works. I know this one's the favorite, it's mine. So I'm going to make some extra large triple wicked candles with it in this video. So I'm going to stop talking and let's go ahead and get started. I can't get enough of these giant frosted candles. They're really elegant and they make for some super long lasting candles. Because they have a wide diameter, I'll be needing more than just one wick to get a proper burn hole. It can be tricky determining when you should wick up versus multi-wicking, but my rule of thumb is that if the vessel's diameter is over 3.5 inches, I'll use multiple smaller wicks as opposed to one larger wick. Take your time and keep each wick in an equal distance from each other and the walls of the jar. I've already melted down some GW464 wax in my melting pot. If you don't have a melting pot, a double boiler and pouring pitcher works just fine, but I find that a melting pot is a worthwhile investment for a frequent candle maker. So whatever method you use, bring the wax up to a temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit before filling in a pouring pitcher with enough wax to fill your container of choice. So in my case, that's going to be 12 ounces. I had some gray dye chips on hand, which I'm going to add in now while the wax is still at its hottest. To keep the candle a nice and frosty color, I won't be adding too much of them, just enough for a lovely cashmere color. Make sure all the dye chips have melted into the wax and let it cool to 175 degrees Fahrenheit before adding in our fragrance. So here is our version of Bath & Body Works Sweater Weather. I'm using a 7% fragrance load for a robust throw. So we're gonna go ahead and pour the fragrance into the wax, stir thoroughly to make sure it's nice and evenly distributed into our wax. Keep stirring the wax as it cools to pouring temperature. To avoid sinkholes and wet spots, I pour the wax when it's between 135 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So with the wax at the right temperature, let's go ahead and pour it into our jars. Fill it up and use some dowels to keep the wicks evenly spaced. Now this can be a little tricky, but 3 dowels does the trick pretty well for me. A candle this big will take a while to cool, so make sure to give it some time before checking back in on it. If you kept a close eye on your temperatures, you should find it sinkhole free. And here it is, Sweater Weather. I totally understand why this is one of our best-selling fall scents for candles. It's just so good. It's perfect. As always, give the candle plenty of time to cure in accordance with the wax type you used before conducting your burn test. And go ahead and be sure to trim up those wicks before you ship on it out. As always, thanks so much for following along with me in the project lab today. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop us a thumbs up and subscribe to support what we do here in the AFI Project Lab. Now we have tons of more seasonal how-tos coming up, so go ahead and ring the bell icon if you want all of our new videos on your feed. I can't wait to catch you guys in our next video real soon. So this is all I have for you guys today. I'm Maddie and thanks for watching. Bye!